4,239 divided by 6 using area model. Make sure you have your 4 boxes for your first 4 place values and label them with your thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. Your 6 goes on the outside, 4,239 goes on the inside, and if you need your multiplication facts, make sure you have them along with our steps of divide, multiply, subtract, repeat, and check. So let's start at our first step of divide. We're going to start in our first place value, the thousands place. We have 4 babies and 6 people, so we need to divide. The closest we can get to 4 without going over is actually 0. So everyone would get 0 babies. 0 times 6 is 0. When we subtract, we still have 4,239 that we'll take into our next place value. Now that we're in a new box, we're ready to repeat back to division. So we are now in the hundreds place, but we did have some leftover thousands. So now we're going to look at the number 42. The closest we can get to 42 is skip counting 8 times. When we multiply, we go 8 times 6, add on 2 zeros, gives you 4,200. Then we'll subtract, giving us 39, which we'll take into our next place value. Now we know that we are in the tens place. So 3 is our digit that is in the tens place. Let's divide 3 babies and 6 people. Well, if you only have 3 babies and there's 6 people, you can't share that evenly. So everyone would get 0, because if we're skip counting, the closest we can get to 3 is 0. Now let's multiply. 0 times 6 is 0. When we subtract, we still have 39 that will take to our ones place. Now that we're in the ones place, but we have some leftover tens that we also need to use. The closest we can get to 39 is 36. We skip counted 6 times to get there. 6 times 6 is 36. When we subtract, we're left over with 3. Is 3 smaller than 6? Yes, it is, so we checked. That's our remainder. Our answer comes from a 0 in the thousands place, so I know I don't even need that because it's at the beginning. 806, because there's a 0 in the tens place. So 806 with a remainder of 3 is your answer.